In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Gate.io to better protect your account. First, open the Gate.io app or website and log in. On the main screen, tap your profile icon or go to Account/Security Settings. Here you'll see different options like Login Password, Fund Password, and Two-Factor Authentication. Look for Google Authenticator, GA, and tap Enable or Bind. Before you continue, make sure you've installed the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. Back on Gate.io, you'll usually be asked to pass a quick email or SMS verification first. Enter the code sent to you to proceed. Now, Gate.io will show you a QR code and a backup key. Write down this backup key and keep it somewhere safe in case you lose your phone. Then open the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus button, and choose Scan QR code or enter setup key to add your Gate.io account. You'll see a new 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Go back to Gate.io, enter that code along with any required email/SMS code, and confirm. From now on, you'll use this Google Authenticator code whenever you log in or make sensitive changes. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.